T-Music vám přinesl už spoustu nezapomenutelných koncertních zážitků. Poslední dubnový víkend to byly Simple Plan. Byla to pořádná jízda a to nemluvím jen o vyprodaném koncertu. Než Simple Plan vtrhli na pódium, vzali jsme totiž Jeffa, Davida a Pierra na takovou malou projížďku. Ukázali jsme jim areál pražského výstaviště z trochu jiné perspektivy a vyzkoušeli jsme, jakou mají mužku. Praha byla poslední zastávkou v rámci jejich evropského turné a tak nás zajímalo, co je na ostatních členech kapely nejvíc štvalo.
On the bus, you know, the air is really bad. We all get sick. That's the thing, you know. I can't stand that anymore. Everybody's been getting sick at the store.
You know, in a hotel room, when I'm in my room and you're on the same floor as me, I know when you get into your room. It's a good way to see if David gets in his room late.
A je něco, co si kupují v každém městě?
A monkey. I buy a monkey in every city.
Isn't it Crazy Frog?
Oh, it's Crazy Frog. It's Crazy Frog, sorry.
It looks like it. It's got a helmet.
Pink rabbit, yeah. I don't know. I don't think there's anything that we buy in every city. I think we try to find something, you know, that's food.
I kind of wanted to collect those flags, you know, sticker flags, but I never got to it.
Oh, yeah,
They're actually hard to find. Maybe at airports, but we don't always go to airports. That's the thing. You know what? You know, our fans, that's what they should bring us. I forget stickers of every single country. I never mentioned it. It's gonna be
Five
stunning.
of them.
5 of them, so we could have them. Like, I'm gonna put my guitar case on the stickers of every country we go to.
T-Music zprostředkoval několika výhercům setkání s kapelou a i když samolepky nedostali, fanoušci jim vyrobili krásnou knihu. Ale ani ti, co se Simple Plan nesetkali osobně, si nemohli stěžovat, protože na koncertě se tahle kanadská parta div nerozdala a vypadá to, že se vrátí.
Pleasure to be here in Czech Republic. We'll come back here very soon.
We don't get to see much today, so we have to come back.
Exactly. We have to come back and visit. So next time we're here, we'll put another show. Come out and hang out with us. Take care.